Just a really cool looking spider. If you know what it is, let me know.